family vehicle for you and your family that has tons of seating, including third row, that has something to keep them occupied like rear entertainment, plus comfort for yourself like heated and cooled seats, then you'll love this 2015 Chevy Traverse. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this gorgeous blue exterior color. It's kind of a nice dark blue. You have chrome surrounding your grille with that Chevy bow tie in the middle, and then your headlamps, fog lamps on the sides. Then looking over at your wheels, those are massive 20-inch alloy wheels in that 6-spoke design. And then looking over to the side, you have tons of chrome trim all throughout your door handles, your sides, around your windows, everything. And then looking at your side mirrors, they are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring and cross path detection, so that will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot at all times. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats. They are heated and ventilated, so you'll always be comfortable no matter the weather. Both sides are power adjustable as well. Then looking over at your steering wheel, you've got your heated button right there, then your cruise controls, your media controls, everything is right there. And then looking over at your media center, first of all, you have navigation, so you can plug in an address, get to your destination really easily, but tons of other features throughout this media center, including your radio options, and you can subscribe to Sirius XM radio or just use AM FM, of course. Then you have your phone settings, so you can make and receive phone calls, hook up your phone really easily with Bluetooth. Then everything else, your settings are here, and then you have your other options that you can utilize, your aux cords and stuff for your rear entertainment. Everything is easily used here, and then you also have a backup camera so you can see behind your vehicle. Then down below, tons of safety features inside of this, including forward collision warning and lane departure warning. You also have dual climate controls, so you can have different settings on each side of the front seat. Then down below are your heated and cooled buttons for your seats, and you have a 12-volt and a USB port right there. 2 cup holders. I love all of this wood trim throughout the center here. You also have a center console that pops up, or it slides back to give you more room underneath, another layer, so you have tons of organizational space inside of the front seat. Then looking up, you have OnStar, which is subscribable, universal garage door openers, and controls to your sunroof. So this is a dual pane sunroof, so you have the sunroof in the front that you can open up, and then you have another pane in the back for your kids in the back seat. And then making your way out, this does have a Bose Sound System for amazing amplified sound. Okay, so looking in this back seat, we have quad seating, so 2 seats in this middle row, and aisleway between. That leads to the third row where you have 3 seats back there. Then I just want to point out this amazing rear entertainment system, so you can plug in a DVD. You also have your AV inputs below, so you can, hook up a gaming system. And you have a 120-volt, 12-volt, 2 USB ports, and then all of your rear climate controls right there. So really just a nice hub of media and entertainment for your kids back there. So you have 3 seats in the back, cup holders on each side, and again, looking at that back panel of the sunroof. Then looking up, you have your roof rack, your tail lamps, LTZ, and your all-wheel drive badging, and then you have a rear sensing system that will alert you to any objects behind your vehicle. This does have a power liftgate, so you can easily get into the back, even if you're holding, a kid or groceries. And then you have plenty of space back here. These seats do fold down as well, so you can have lots of room for, boxes, suitcases, anything, and you have more room down below right there. So overall, great family vehicle. You have so many features in here. You have your heated cooled seats, that amazing media center, rear entertainment, sunroof, and if you want to see the Chevy or any of our other SUVs, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right. What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.